Aggregate impact value test. The aggregate impact value is a relative measure of the resistance of an aggregate to sudden shock or impact act on it. The apparatus consists of an impact testing machine whose total weight ranges from 45 to 60 kilograms. The machine has a metal base, a cylindrical steel cup of internal dimensions 102 mm diameter and 50 mm depth. A metal hammer of weight 13.5 to 14 kg which can slide free fall from a height of 380 plus or minus 5 mm on a test sample, and its size is 100 mm in diameter and 5 cm long. A sieve of sizes 12.5, 10 and 2.36 mm. A cylindrical measure, a tamping rod, a balance, and an oven. The test sample used must be passed through 12.5 mm sieve and retained on a 10 mm sieve. The sample must be dried in an oven for 4 hours. The cylindrical measure is filled with 3 layers and each layer is tamped 25 times. Once filled, the surface of the level is struck off and the weight of aggregate in the measure is weighted using balance. Let it be W1. The impact machine is placed on the leveled surface such that it remains rigid upon impact vibration. The cup is placed firmly positioned on the base of the machine and the test sample is placed on it in layers and each layer is compacted by 25 strokes. Now, the hammer is raised until the lower face is 380 mm above the upper surface of the aggregate in the cup and allowed to fall freely on the aggregate. This is repeated for 15 similar blows at an interval of not less than 1 second. After 15 blows, the crushed aggregate is removed from the cup and sieved on a 2.36 mm sieve. The fraction passing through this is weight and let it be W2. The ratio of the weight of fines formed to the total sample weight should be expressed as a percentage using the equation. Aggregate impact value is equal to W2 divided by W1 into 100, where W2 is the weight of fraction passing through 2.36 mm sieve. W1 is the weight of oven-dried sample. The same process is repeated, and the aggregate impact value is taken as the average of 2 tests. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. The best is yet to come.